The coating of an engine with Ceracoat ceramic engine protection, this product, is very easy. You just add the product to the engine oil. The engine has to be a little bit warm, and then you put it into the engine oil, and then you just drive about 15 minutes. This product is a ceramic coating. When you put it in the engine oil, the coating is transported wherever the oil goes. And the main coatings will be on the cylinder walls and on the piston rings. This means when you start the engine and the piston goes upstairs, there is no friction anymore between the piston rings and the cylinder walls. Because you have on those parts, you have now a ceramic coating. You can imagine that like it's a little nano film. It's a layer that protects your engine. This is important not when you run the engine, it's important when you start the engine. Because when you start an engine, the piston goes upstairs and there is a friction between the piston ring and the cylinder walls because you don't have any lubrication. The oil is still downstairs. So we say that this kind of cold start is the same influence as doing about 1,000 kilometers or 600 miles running on the highway. So this is what the product does. Then when you coat the engine with the ceramic, because of a complete different friction capacity of the ceramic, the coefficient of the friction of the ceramic is much better. The friction goes downstairs. So the engine produces heat, friction and power. So if you have less friction, you also have less heat. If you have less friction, less heat, you have more for power to the engine. So this is what ceramic makes. It's just a little explanation. You have another film where I explain the advantages more in the details. So you just add the product into the engine oil. Just put everything into the engine oil. That's it. Then you close it. You start the engine and you go for a run for about 15 minutes, and this 15 minutes is already enough to coat Ceracoat ceramic to the engine.